Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I am here with a flip through of the tall, skinny French Blue Toile journal, and I have used some fabric, blue and white fabric that I coffee dyed from my stash. I probably got it at Hobby Lobby, and the kit that I used for this one is from Pink Monarch Prints. It's their French Blue Toile collection. So I have just used a crochet trim closure. It's pretty good size. I hope this gets all in the screen. I'm having a hard time. My camera's a little low. But lots of ephemera in this collection, and so I was able to decorate the cover, and I just love how that turned out. A little bit of trim under there. So in the front I have the This Book Belongs To. We have a pocket with a tag, some journal cards, and I had this extra little cluster. Everything is backed with a coffee dyed type print, and yeah, I really like this one, really fun. I have added tags and extra writing paper wherever there was room. They're all backed the same way. Let's see, I'm pulling down everything here. Extra cards, extra tags, as much as I could fit in these pockets. This is an extended pocket here. Just some more pieces of the ephemera pieces. Plenty of writing space in this one. I want to make sure I'm staying on camera for you. It's about to fall down on me. Lots of writing pages. I've done the papers that are in the collection and then coffee dyed paper. And so we've got 3 envelopes here. These all have a folded tag inside for extra writing space, and then inside there is a folded piece for more writing space. I love this little bird paper. It's pretty. And that just goes in there. I've tucked that under a half of a tab punch and just added some little wood butterflies to those. Another writing page. Here's a belly band, and I made that out of one of the tall tags that were in the collection. And extra writing paper. This is just folded, so like I said, plenty of writing space. There's another one that I folded the opposite way. I like the 2 patterns together. And then this is a specimen card that is just extra little writing spot there as well. More blank pages for writing. This is just a pocket with a cluster. The journal card there, both of them the same. Lot more room to decorate in these tall journals. Here is a, I guess it's a triple pocket. I used a corner pocket, and I took some, let me take these pieces out, took some extra pieces of ephemera and made extra pockets there. So there's a pocket here, and there's the pocket here, and then there's this tall pocket with this, which is stuffed with a bunch of stuff. Everything is backed. I'm going to turn that around. I think I like that top of that one the other way. Yeah, so this pocket's got like 5 different pieces in it. More writing. Here's a tuck made out of one of the journal cards in the collection. I put an envelope in here and another piece of writing paper in the back, and then another card here, Madam Butterfly. Here's a couple of side pockets with more of those specimen cards. This one has a butterfly, And then this one has a flower. Some pockets have some little extra embellishments. Here are a couple more pockets, lots of pockets. That fits in there. And I've just added a cluster to the front of the pockets. Same thing down here. And then in the middle I've put a piece of lace trim with the tickets. And here we have just a folder and a lot of room left over for you to add your own items. And then this is just one of the clusters from the collection that I turned into a paper clip. So plenty of room to tuck and write. And I'm sliding all over the place. Hope you guys aren't getting dizzy. Here's the center page. I love this bluebird paper. It's pretty. And then another one of those paper clips with journal cards and more writing paper underneath. And here's another folder. The other double tag, there again I put a ticket on the top, special handling, journal card and a tag, all backed. On this one down here, on this cluster, I did something fun, and I added a little tag piece and put some little waxed linen in the hole on top. Oh, nope, this goes down here. Don't know why I was doing that. Okay, a little off my game today. Okay, here's some more side pockets with the field notes, specimen cards, the tuck spot, another envelope, journal card, extra writing paper. Here's that triple pocket where I've added the corner pocket with the extra pocket behind that. And so this one can go in this pocket, and this just slides in there. And then back here we have lots of pieces of ephemera tucked in. Extra writing space. Make sure that's not upside down. I guess I shouldn't take them all out because it takes so long to put them back in. This pocket is really roomy. There's plenty of room in there for more items in there. Okay. Here's another double pocket with the clusters. I've rounded the corners on these. Another belly band with the writing paper underneath, and I had an extra folder, so I just tucked that under there. And here's our envelopes with the double tags. There's paper inside all of them. Extended pocket with tags and journal cards. These tags are beautiful. There again, tags, journal cards, writing paper. So definitely a good writing journal. Here we go. And then the back page, which is opposite the front page, but I added a little pocket down here with some tiny little tags. And then this one has a taller tag and some extra journal cards in there. Like I said, lots and lots of ephemera pieces. So lots of places to write, and just tying this in a bow. It is a little bit chunky, but it can be squished down. So like I said, I'm sorry, I keep saying like I said. like I say, There's plenty of room in this journal. Let me say that again. There's plenty of room in this journal. So I hope you like it. I'm going to try to get it up in my Etsy shop within the next few days. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye now.